What's up guys? Today I've partnered up with Rooftop Overland. They just sent me out their newest Cali raised ditch lights. Today we are going to unbox these suckers and get them mounted on the truck. Y'all stick around. All right guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name's TJ, welcome to Kayak USA. My channel is usually more geared to kayaking and camping and kayak DIY stuff, but currently I am in the middle of this bad boy right here. I'm making a full series of us turning my 2020 Tacoma into an Overland style vehicle, one video at a time, one mod at a time. Today's video, as you can tell by the thumbnail, we're gonna be putting on some ditch lights. Now these are the newest Cali Ray ditch lights. I actually partnered up for these with Rooftop Overland. If you don't know who they are the premier overlanding store online. I mean, they carry everything from rooftop tents, roof racks, off-road lighting, skid plates, step bars, you name it, they got it on their website, and it is all the name brand stuff. For example, you all watched me put the Printsu rack on my truck. I think last week we did that video. I was gonna order that Printsu rack directly from Printsu because I like to go with the name brand stuff. I did a lot of research, that's the best rack. I wanted to get it straight from the company. When I put it in the cart through Printsu, it added $100 and something to shipping. I was like, man, there's gotta be somewhere out there that sells it with free shipping. Went straight to rooftopoverland.com, put it in my cart, free shipping. Same price, same rack. It actually shipped to my house from Printsu, but Rooftop Overland, they're such a big company, they were able to take care of the shipping and it saved me over $100. So same way with the Cali Rays, you get all the good name brand stuff right on Rooftop Overland. I highly recommend it if you're getting into modding up your vehicle, adding a rooftop tent, lights, skid plates, step bars, whatever you're looking to add, check with them first. I guarantee you they could probably beat the price that you've already found somewhere else online. So today, we're gonna unbox these lights, figure out how to wire them up. Now these things are supposed to be the baddest Cali Ray lights that are out right now. These are supposed to have like the side projection on them, so they throw the lights to the side and in the front. It's also supposed to come with the factory looking button. So we're gonna wire this up and it's gonna look legit. It's not gonna have a little toggle switch in there where we flip it on and off. You know, it's gonna have an actual Toyota button that you mash and cut them on and off. So this thing unboxed and see what they look like. I've actually had it here for about 3 days and it's been killing me just sitting here in the box because I wanted to wait and open it on camera with you guys. All right, so it looks like there's another big box. That's probably the lights. Here is the wiring. So if I'm not mistaken, it comes with a button like this. It's really not the kind of button that you want to use, but you can order this button, and this is what we want right here. Look at that. Here's the cheap one. It comes wired, so I know that we're gonna have to cut these wires, but then this is like a factory Tacoma button or Toyota button. It says ditch lights on it. It's got the 2 lights. That's sweet. It's got the factory style plug that goes into the back of it, just like a Toyota switch. I love that. It's gonna look so clean in there. So I'll set this to the side, set our button to the side. Here's our mounts. Box is empty. I believe there's 2 different types of brackets they sell. They got a low profile one and one that's taller. These are supposed to be the low pro ones. They're powder coated, good high quality, and if you can see right here, they've got a D and a P for driver and passenger, so you know exactly where to put them. It's got a little Cali Rays thing in there, mounting hardware. This has the Teflon nuts on it so that they won't back off once you tighten them down. Now, here's the part I'm interested in. I want to see these lights. I want to see the lights. Well, I opened the box kind of like Michael Scott, destroyed it. All right, this hardware, little bag of hardware, it's all stainless steel. It's even got the Allen wrenches in there. These are gonna be the mounts that go around the lights. Everything is packaged great too. Look at that. Powder coated black, so you don't have a metal looking bracket around your lights on top of a powder coated bracket. So everything is gonna look nice and clean on the truck. The lights are, ooh-wee, look at that. They're packaged well. Look at that. Look at that. Sure. These things look good. There's that side projection they got right there. So here is everything that's in the box. Got your mounting bracket bolts for your brackets, 2 brackets to go around the lights, all your hardware, tools. If you went with the one that sells the switch for the Tacoma, you'll have that, wiring, and 2 very nice, and when you hold these in your hand, you can tell these are not cheap, LED ditch lights. So now all we got to do is figure out how to get them installed. All right guys, that is gonna do it for the install of these ditch lights. They turned out great. They're super bright, they're very low profile, they're not too big and gaudy hanging off the side. I think I'm gonna be really happy with these things. If you're interested in getting you some lights like this, like I said at the beginning of the video, rooftop-overland.com. I'm gonna have them linked below. Click the link, go check them out. They have everything from roof racks to lights to step bars. I mean, if you're wanting to build an off-road vehicle, they're gonna have the products you're looking for there, and it's probably gonna be the best price you can find. So go check them out. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.